Paella is a classic Spanish rice dish known for bold flavors, vibrant colors, and rich aroma. Begin by finely chopping garlic, slicing red bell pepper, trimming green beans, and grating fresh tomato. Clean the seafood and keepers. Heat olive oil in a wide paella pan over medium heat. A wide pan allows even cooking. Add chicken pieces to the pan and cook until golden brown on all sides. This builds the base flavor of the paella. Add garlic, grated tomato, green beans, and paprika. Stir gently and cook until the mixture thickens and becomes squid in the rice. Add the rice and spread it evenly without stirring too much. Pour in saffron water to give pictures. Pour in hot broth and season with salt. Let the rice simmer undisturbed so it cooks evenly and forms the tricha. Place shrimp and mussels on top of the rice. Cook until the seafood is tender and the mussels open naturally. Let the paella rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and enjoy